Hey Bidzers, what's up? It's Daniel here, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of some new content coming to the channel just going forward for the near future. I'll see if I actually enjoy creating it. Hopefully the camera's not too wonky. I just noticed it's slightly wonky, and I'll hopefully tidy that up in edit. But we're actually going to start doing beard care product reviews, and I don't want this channel just to be beard care product reviews, because there's loads of guys doing beard care product reviews of all sorts of different brands. But I think it's good because it gets me thinking about the products, what I'm putting on my own skin. It'll probably help you out because I can hopefully save you a bit of money and you don't waste your money on bad products. And it just gets me creating more content around this beard care. But hopefully we'll do the full sort of men's grooming products. So we might cover hair products, clothing and things like that going forward around this bearded lifestyle. So it won't just be beard care product reviews, but it will initially be that as I just build up some more content. We're still going to be doing the Yeard videos every single week and the how-tos and all the tips and advice, and focusing a bit more on how you can improve yourself going forward, because it's something that the channel was meant to do. It was meant to be about the 5 values that I live by, about how to become more confident, how to try new things, how to persevere, be patient, and there's ways of hacking that, and it all it stems from really growing a beard. It can give you a lot of these new skills and traits. But this is the kind of content that's going to be coming to the channel very, very soon. And that's all I had to say. This is a very quick update video just for that. So just let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to it, if there's any products that I should check out, review, or anything that you would recommend, and I'll see if I can get my hands on some of it. I don't mind actually having to pay for it, or if brands want to send me stuff free, obviously that helps me out massively. But yeah, we'll just see what happens, and if I get a nice big collection, obviously I'll send some stuff to you guys every now and again, because I'm definitely not going to need to use it all either. Anyway, we'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.